Oi, so we got in another parcel and it came straight from the Norse tradesman. Look at that there. Absolutely lovely. There she is. Look at the fucking war horn. The runes carved in it. And it came with a stand for my drinking horn. Now it stands up. And you know who's got to hold it? Hell yeah. That is fucking awesome. Now this thing, let's fucking try it. How the hell do we do this? I really need to work on it. I'm not very fucking good. It may take some practice, but I'll get it eventually. One last one, just so you can hear it a little. And that's the fucking war horn. Hell yeah, it's fucking dope.